you hated boys?
I just know I just hate boys because of my memories. Get my heart angry. I don't hate. I a little bit love boys, but not really. I only love my other friends. Looks like boys, but I never hated my friends. The boys' friends. I only hated stupid, mean boys. I wanna kick their butts out of here.
Sino lang love mo?
Oh, my friends. Oh, the boys of my friends, not the older one. If I'm older, I don't want a boyfriend. I want to stay with my family, my friends. I can play along with my sister. I'm 6 years old, and for my birthday, I'm gonna be 7 years old. Almost bigger.
So what's your plan in the near future?
I want to be a billionaire to share everybody with money and all the other poor people.
So kailangan mo talaga silang tulungan.
Yes, because I want to be the kind of person in the whole world.
That's nice. Pero syempre, kailangan mo rin munang mag-aral mabuti, di ba?
Yes, I want to be the billionaire queen, the kind of one. And I'll give everybody the money what they want to feel their health stronger and better. And I want to stay by myself, no boys.
So you don't need a boys to be a successful.
Yes. I don't care about the money only. I care about all my family too, and I care about the earth. There's no things to be bad from anybody who's poor.
But you told a while ago na gusto mo maging billionaire, pero you don't care money. Paano yun?
I only care a little bit of money. I care money and my family and all the poor people. So I give everybody money to get their house filled up and build a nice house for them.
Basta tatakbo kang vice presidente. What do you think?
Yes.
Yes, you want to be a president? Kasi sabi mo, gusto mo tumulong eh.
Yes, I want to have the big castle with the golden chair and a bank with lots of money.
Oh my God! Gusto mo talaga magkaroon ng lots of money sa different bank?
Yes! I'll get lots of bank and lots of money to give everybody their wishes come true.
Oh, edi wala na magiging poor.
Yes,
Kasi
everybody
help mo
will be
sila.
billionaires and they'll be all happy. You have to bow at me and say thank you.
Oh,
The
God!
king of God. Wait, what?
Kailangan talagang mag-bow sa'yo?
Yes?
Say thank you is enough. Huwag na kahit wala nang bow.
I don't need any had a quiet sing.
So first, anong una mong gagawin? Paano ka maging billionaire?
To be a billionaire, I'm a billionaire, I'll go to my black room and
Black room talaga?
yes, a rock and roll room.
Siyempre, di ba kailangan mag-aral mabuti?
Yes.
To be successful.
I'll go to my room and draw my name and I'll draw anything. I'll draw a guitar and any rock and roll things.
Okay, that's your plan
Yes.
for your future.
And I'll make the future gold.
Okay, good luck and God bless to your future.
And yes, and I'll pray to God to give everybody the money what they wish.
Huwag mo na isama yung bra ni Mama. Okay na.
And I will make the Philippines gold in the world.
Ikaw ba yan, Marcos?
No. I will
Then who
get
you are? Who are
everybody
you?
gold. I'm the gold queen
Gold
of the
queen
stage.
talaga? Gold queen talaga ang gusto
Yes.
mong maging.
I will not get the boys any money. And I can only help any old things will happen to my in my future. really not my friends, my boys' friends. I can help them too.
Okay.
Silence.
Yep.
Before I will go to school, I want silence in here.
Okay. Oh, sige, I think that's enough na muna.
Okay.
What you want to tell about them?
Everybody hate boys except for your other boys' friends. For your friends are old enough to
Siyempre family, di ba?
care about your family and your friends and the boys too, but not really the older boys, the bad boys. I want you all to be billionaires and stage of the gold.